Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Yaris car battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You'll typically find the battery under the hood, often on the passenger side. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for your vehicle's power source. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Grab your 10mm wrench and start by loosening the nut on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Once loose, carefully remove the negative cable and tuck it away so it doesn't accidentally touch the battery. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable as well. This order prevents electrical shorts. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and doesn't wobble. Now, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten that one too. Double-check all connections. After connecting everything, give all the terminals a final check to ensure they are tight and the battery is secure in its tray. Now, start your Toyota Yaris to confirm the new battery is working perfectly and your car powers on without issues. Remember, proper maintenance extends battery life. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.